Good afternoon, everybody. I got a really cool build here that I think a lot of people would enjoy. What we have here is a rustic farmhouse shadow top concealment coffee table. For those of you that don't know what a shadow box is, well, you're looking at it. It's basically your top of your table is a box with a piece of glass over it. In my case, I use a piece of plexiglass. It was a lot cheaper. It was $20 versus $75 to have a piece of glass put in there. It's not done yet. It's almost done. But I've had a lot of people waiting to see this. It's not something you see every day. It's very unique. I have a few little things left to do, like put trim on there and figure out what color I'm going to stain it. But overall, I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. Maybe some of you have seen these tables before in other people's homes. Me personally, I've never seen them in a store anywhere. I got the idea from seeing it at somebody else's house, and it makes for a great conversation piece. What I have in my table is just a bunch of old stuff that my dad used to collect. He's now been deceased for about 11 years, but let me show you how this works. So the lid right now currently opens all the way. It will have a damper on there. I just haven't got to that yet. But what I have in mind is a bunch of some of my dad's old pipe collection, his knives, some money, some silver, some of his old watches, and just a lot of other knick-knack things, some lighters, my dad's old cell phone there, and just some very cool little gadgets and things that look really cool on the coffee table. Let me see if I can get this propped up for you. It's a great table. It's very strong, very durable. As I said, it's also a concealment table. There's a shelf down there at the bottom, and I'll show you how the concealment part works. So I have this little screwdriver here in the corner here, and what I came up with is the strongest lock that you can get for about $7 that came up with the idea of myself. I have a little hole in here that when I put the handles on there, you won't even see the hole. A little turn unlocks it, and then you slide the whole top open. Now this opens a good 27, 28 inches. And what I have in there is a bunch of old BB guns from the early 80s. But as you can see, you can easily fit 6 to 7 long guns in there with scopes on them. It's very strong, very durable. It's got ball bearing sliders on it. And for the lid there, as you can see, I used just an old piano hinge that I had that worked out great. The whole table is strong and durable, and I'm really happy with the way things turned out with it so far. That just falls down for now till I get the damper. Here's another look at it with the slide open. So the lock that I came up with is great. I mean, it's very strong. I have fingerprint locks and RFID locks, but there's nothing strong as this. This is going to have both locks, plus this fingerprint scanner here that I have. I just haven't installed it yet, but that's going to be underneath the top of the table here to unlock this. So the lock that I came up with, basically all it is a lock you get with your sliding patio door, which is right here. You can get that at Home Depot for about $7. So what I did is I attached an eye bolt underneath the tabletop here. So when I come to lock the table, and that little lever there hooks right into the eye bolt there. It's very strong, and I'll show you, it doesn't move. Once I got it lined up and it's on top, that's it. There's no play in it at all. Like I said, I do like the RFID locks and the fingerprint scanners, but they seem a little cheesy to me, or flimsy. This one worked out great. Like I said, it's very strong. I've used it on a couple other designs, and I really like it a lot. Look, no movement at all. Very strong. and it doesn't affect the shadow box top. I have plexiglass in there, as I stated on the top. It's not put together yet. The trim's still not put in place, but I had a few people asking me that wanted to see it, even though it's not complete, but it will be very shortly, as soon as I get the trim and stuff on. And I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, please comment, let me know. Please like and subscribe. And if you want a better look at that lock, message me and I'll walk you through a step-by-step how I got it onto the wood and how everything works correctly. Again, thank you and have a great day, everybody.